Hi everyone, welcome back to the solution. This is episode 18 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we learned how to master text and date functions to clean and manage data. What today we will take a step toward making Excel interactive and error proof with data validations and drop down list. Don't forget, the link series playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. Watch the episode in sequence to become an Excel pro. Part 1, Why data validations matters. In real world Excel sheets, people often make mistakes, typing wrong product names, entering invalid dates, putting text where numbers should be. Data validations help you control input, so users can only enter what you allow. This makes your sheet professional, clean and error free. Part 2, Basic data validations. Step 1, Restrict numbers. Example, only allow numbers between 1 and 100. Go to data validations, allow whole numbers between 1 and 100. Step 2, Restrict dates. Example, only allow dates between 1st January 2024 and 31st of December 2024. Perfect for project timelines. Step 3, Restrict text length. Example, limit employee IDs to 6 characters. These small controls prevent mistakes before they happen. Part 3, Creating drop-down list. Step 1, Simple drop-down. Select cells, data validations and list. Enter options like east, west, north, south. Now users can only pick from your list. Step 2, Drop down from range. Instead of typing items, link to a list in your sheet, like product names. When the list updates, the drop down updates too. Step 3, Dynamic drop down with unique functions. Use a dynamic array formula like is equal to unique under bracket a2 a20 to create an ever updating list. Perfect for large data sets. Part 4, Error message and input message. Add a custom input message. Please select a reason from the list. Add an error alert. Invalid entry. Choose only from the list. Makes your Excel sheet looks professional and user friendly. Part 5, Advanced dependent drop down list. Want to go pro? Create a drop down inside a drop down. Example, first drop down, select region east, west, north, south. Second drop down shows only products available in that region. This is done using named range plus indirect functions. And trust me, this one trick will blow people's minds. Part 6, Real world examples. Employee database with fixed department names. Sales tracker where you only pick valid products. Project management sheets with restricted deadlines. Order forms where users select from controlled options. So in this episode we learned how to make Excel interactive, professional and error proof with data validations and drop down list. In episode 19, we will step into something even more powerful: conditional formatting advanced techniques. You will learn how to make data visually pop with colors, icons, and formulas. And remember, the full beginner to advanced playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution, and press the bell icon so you never miss the next episode. See you in episode 19.